If you want to be able to press and hold the power button in order to turn on a Gemini on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then here's what we need to do. So first we're gonna go to the Galaxy Store and we need to download an app that is called Good Luck. So tap on this magnifying glass and let's search for Good Luck. And this is the app that we need to install. There we go. And once it is installed, we're gonna open it. There we go. Let's press agree and continue. And now over here in plugins, we need to find Routines Plus. We need to download this plugin. So press on this arrow on the right side. And once it is installed, we should be able to exit the app. All right, so installation done, let's exit. The next thing that we need to do is of course make sure that Gemini is set up as the main digital assistant instead of Google Assistant, for example. So just in case, I'm gonna go to Gemini, I'm gonna scroll down, press continue, once again to select use Gemini. All right, so now Gemini is in use. So the next thing that we need to do is go to settings. In the settings, first we need to scroll down to advanced features and go to side button. Over here we have long press and we want to make sure that power off menu is selected instead of Bixby. Once that is selected, we can go back to settings and this time we're gonna scroll up and go to modes and routines. Select routines at the bottom and then press this plus button in the top right corner in order to create a new routine. First we need to add the trigger. So we're gonna scroll all the way down and choose button action under routines plus section. Here we need to select the side key and then also scroll down just a little bit in order to select press and hold and press done. Then we want to select what should happen when the trigger occurs. So here we need to select apps, then select open an app or do an app action. And now we need to find Gemini. There we go, open Gemini. So you want to select this option and press done. And now let's save it. Of course, we can set up the name for our routine. So let's say I'm gonna do something like this. We can choose a color, pick a different icon. It doesn't really matter what we choose here. And let's press it done in the bottom right corner. There we go. We have our routine created. So now if I press and hold the power button, I will activate Gemini instead of Bixby. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.